special
man.
opening for all our groups.
Yeah.
We just choose the several the Hankook rental houses. Well, as you know, our group is a quite big group, so each rental shop has more than 100 people. We are the first. Yeah, we are the first. So in order not to be crowded or be like a dizzy, something like that. When you make a decision quickly, then we can also save our time too. Maybe even though the palace is not open, but we can go earlier and we can take a picture of main entrance of the palace. The main entrance is quite nice to take a picture, so we can also save our time. See, so the first when we go there, we're gonna split the two groups, where the boys and girls. Okay, boys go to the boys section and choose your pants and the inner jacket, and the girls choose your skirt. So just choose the design that you like. But I will give you one tip. If just to choose the little vivid, not the vivid one, or not the lighter color one. Because when you take a picture, when you look at the costume, it looks very nice. But when you take a picture later on, you might regret. Yeah, I should choose the red one or blue one, something like that. Okay, because the red color or blue color makes your the picture photo better. Okay, yeah. So but if you don't like if you don't like the red, blue, black at all, then you can choose the pink.
Ayun. Okay na po. Hanggang dito na lang. Sa inyo na lang, ma'am.
So it wasn't destroyed by Korean War, but luckily. Palaces in Seoul, among 5 palaces, the palace we are going to visit that is the biggest, largest, and oldest palace. Okay, so on the way, you will also see some statue on your left-hand side, little after. Yeah, there are the 2 statues standing on this arena, the square. One front is General Lee. General Lee from Joseon Dynasty. He defeated lots of Japanese invaders during the Japanese invasion. And you are going to see the second statue with the gold color. Gold color, right? Can you see that? That is King Sejong, who invented the Korean alphabet. So Korean alphabet was invented by king, the one of king in Joseon Dynasty. Okay, yeah. So name of that king is Sejong, King Sejong. Maybe when you've watched some Korean movies, then you will see that the king's story there. Okay, so here this is the main street. So along this street there are many important government building and the
Ganda.
Kung yun yung ano dito na dapat. Pero sana hindi na. Kasi turista. Hindi, sinabi kahapon. No? Sinabi kahapon.
Part of tradition.
Alright, dito kami magbibihis. Handbook rental. Right. I'm just trying to try. Wow. Wow. I like it. Okay. Alright. Kasi boss? Oh, boss. Lumalabas yung ano ko.
Parang pogi. Pogi.
Oo. Boss Mark.
Ayun, ganyan lang.
Sinisiksik ko nga kanina. Mali yata yung size na binigay sa akin.
dapat kamay mahihigang. Nasira pa natin ito. Mahal nito. Distribution!
Yung isang street lang na ganon.
Pumunta na kami sa palasyo ni Jumong.
Jumong?
Ay, Jumong? Sino? Sino?
Sumong.
Sumong? Sumong? Akala suma? Sarap. Bidyan. What's up?
Ito ang aming kaharian. Maglilinis na kami ng mga CR.
Tsaka mga bubong.
Ito yung tinatrabaho namin dito sa ibang bansa.
Oo. Pero kailangan kasi nakaganito ka, no? Kasi bago papasukin, di ba?
Ito yung mga aliping namimigil.
Ikaw, ano
Aliping sa
masabi mo?
gigilid.
Sa gigil. Ayos.
Ito aliping manggagancho.
Ayan ang ating haring. Right. Felix, kita ang anit ko. Oh.
Baka lumiwanag yung ano ko.
Hello.
Masyado musik.
Yeah. Okay, malapit na tayo sa ano? Pali-pali. Lapit na tayo sa entrance. Dahil nag-jogging dito. Wow.
Hindi ko makuha yung cellphone ko.
Pali-pali.
Dinudukot.
Tayo sa front ng palasyo. Saan si Boss Ramark? Hello, Boss Mark. Okay, pipicture ro tayo sa front. Pali-pali.
Pali sa grupo.
Takbo! Ano? Takbo! Ayun o. Wala, late na kayo.
Thank you for your cooperation.
So magtabi-tabi yung
Hey.
Happy anniversary na ito po.
You are wearing a hanbok, so I'm going to teach you Korean Joseon manner.
Yan.
So
Sabi niya
in the past, they are working
Excuse.
class. Lower class, they are working very hard, and they are always qualified because they need to do. They have a last work to do. So that's why they have to move very faster. But high class.
Yeah. Right. One, two, three. One, two, three. Isa pa. Oh.
Dapat hindi kita ang ano.
Abangan ko si Boss Mark. Si Boss Mark tayo malupit eh. Oh.